welcome. How are you guys doing? Hope all is well. In today's video, I'm going to do my 5-minute makeup look for work, and it's very simple, very easy, something that I just put together in the morning to look put together before I head out of the door. And I'm going to start with the products that I'm going to show you today is in this bag right here. This is from Beauty, and I received this a couple of weeks ago actually now, and I've been using it for a little bit before I'm here to give you an honest feedback on what I think about the products. It did come in this super cute pouch right here. It's a corduroy pouch, a washable makeup bag. I quite like this color, and the bag is super convenient as well. Alright, so the first product I have in here is going to be the foundation complexion stick. It is the minimalist is what they call it. It's basically concealer and foundation in one, so they're quite useful. They didn't have the color that matches my complexion. It was sold out. They have lots and lots of color, very wide range of shades on their line for this, so I decided to pick up two different shades, the silk, which may be 2 or 3 shades lighter than my complexion, and then the sand shade, which is 2 shades darker than my complexion, so that I can blend them together to get the right shade for me. And then the next product I have, or I see in the bag, is this right here. This is their Flush Blush, and it is a creamy blush color. Love the packaging. I love the gray packaging with the gold. I think it's so sleek. This one though, I wish that the top would have been gold or maybe a gray color as well. I do understand that they wanted us to see the product. That's why they made the top a clear top. However, I feel like the clear top doesn't do this packaging justice. It just makes it look a little bit not as luxurious as the rest of the packaging. It is a darker color. It looks darker, but when it's on, it's really not that dark. I'll show you in a minute when I put it on, but that is the blush. And then next up I have this brow gel right here, which is in a very sleek and nice packaging. I love this gold. It just looks so expensive. I think that the packaging on this is on point. Gold and gray is so nice. It complements each other so well. Cool tone and a little bit of the warm tone. This brow gel is in the color brown, I believe. Yes, it is. And then I'll show you that in a minute as well when it goes on to my eyebrows. The next item in this bag is this highlighter. It is the color called Kava. It's a nice shimmering highlighter. And the last products I have here with me is 2 lip color, and these are actually lip oil tint, and it's super nice. That is all that I have in this bag, so let's go into the video to show you the try on portion, and I'll talk more about the colors and the product in general. Alright, first up I'm going to use these complexion stick to make sure that I'm going to cover my dark circles as well as my acne scar, and I'm going to go in with this color Silk first. And I really like these sticks. They are a little bit drier formula than what I'm used to. However, they are really nice, and I feel like they blend out quite well. They're thinner than I expected them to be. So I like to blend out my concealer with my hands. I feel like it works really well for me. And I put some at the corner of my nose right here because I tend to have some red spots there and some discoloration. So I'm going to cover that up. And also it helps with the smile line, hiding that a little bit as well. Then I'm going to blend out these acne scar that I have here. So this color Silk is definitely a lot lighter than my normal complexion. That is the Silk color. So now I'm going to go over it with the sand color. I feel like the sand color helps kind of balance out the brightness of the Silk against my complexion, and it just neutralizes and even it and kind of blend in to match my complexion a lot better. So I just use a little bit of that, and I also go on top of my eyelids as well. Then I'm gonna dot some on that acne scar. See how the sand color just blends in so nicely. it definitely matched a lot better, and then it also blends in and cover the acne scar a lot better than just the silk color alone. So that is pretty much what I would use to conceal on my face on a daily basis when I go to work. And the next thing that I'm going to do is my eyebrows. My eyebrows, as you can see, they're very sparse. I like them a little bit thicker, but usually when I go to work, I don't really emphasize on them as much. I do fill them in just a little bit, and I'm just going to do that. So after I fill my eyebrows in with the pencil, I like to blend them out, and I just use one of these spoolies to blend them out a little bit so that it can cover a little bit more. And then with that, I'm going to use this right here. This is the brow gel by Merit. I love the packaging of this. It's such a nice packaging. I love the gold. It just looks so sleek and so chic. But this right here, the brow gel, is actually not really a stiff brow gel. I feel like it does more with filling in the color of the eyebrows. So I went ahead and did my eyeliner off camera just to get it out the way. I do think that this line should probably have an eyeliner in there because I love eyeliner, liquid eyeliner, and I would definitely grab it up as well. Alright, so next up, I'm going to do the Flush Blush. This is in the color called Mood, and it's like a dark burgundy color like so. It looks super dark in the tube, however it is not that dark. So what I do is I just dab it onto my face here, on my cheeks, and maybe a little bit right there, and then I think I'm just gonna dab it some on my lips as well. The color is super cute. See, it blends out so seamlessly, quite natural, and you can build up the color if you want to. It's not super sheer, but I feel like it has a sheer effect to it. Next up I have with me is this highlighting balm. It's called the Day Glow, and it's just a highlighter. It's in the color called Kava, and I believe they have one other shade besides this one, which is a little bit more like pinkish shade, but I wanted this champagne highlighter. I normally wouldn't use this when I go to work, but just for the sake of the video, let's see what it looks like on the skin. So you just add a little bit of sheen, a little bit of glow, and it does look nice, definitely. I'll put it on the top of my cubic bow as well. And you can definitely use this on the arch of your eyebrows, like under here, just to give it a little bit of a highlight. And so yeah, this is a really nice highlighting stick for those that likes highlighting. It's more of a creamy texture. It goes on very smooth, and I feel like it gives just the right amount or right hint of glow without looking overwhelming. And these are the Merit Lip Glow, and I believe this is called the color Marrakesh. It is a little bit more of like orange, mauve, reddish brick color. And then the other one I have here is called Pink Beat, and it's more of a pinky tone. Next to each other though, I really can't tell that much of a difference, but they are a little bit different, and they have a little bit of a different hue or tone to them. I think I'm going to use the color Marrakesh today on the lips. It is a nice texture. Alright, so that is what the lip oil looks like on my lips. I love this formula. I feel like the formula is perfect. It has that nice moisturizing effect, but not sticky. It goes on so smooth, and it gives such nice color as well. Very natural. Probably this is one of my favorite products out of all of the products that I have here from Merit Beauty. So yeah, this is the final look that I would do every single day before I go to work. Very simple, very easy, but still make me look put together for the day. So that is it for this video on my 5-minute makeup look for work. Thank you so much for tuning in. If you have any questions for me, link it down below, and I'll try to get back to you as soon as I can. Don't forget, everything I showed you on this video will be linked in the description bar if you are interested in it. Thank you so much for tuning in, and I'll see you in the next video. See you later. Bye.